This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Open the hood and stand on the passenger side so you can reach the airbox easily. First, unclip or remove the 8mm bolts holding the airbox cover. Use steady pressure to avoid breaking tabs. Once the cover is loose, lift the intake tube slightly and pull the cover straight up. Don't pry at angles. You'll see the filter sitting inside. Note its orientation so you replace the new one the same way. Keep screws and clips in a small tray so nothing gets lost. Once removed, inspect the old filter for heavy dirt, oil, or damage so you understand why replacement is necessary. Use a vacuum and a clean rag to clear dust from the housing and the mating surfaces. Dirt left behind will bypass the new filter and compromise performance. Check the intake snorkel and mass airflow sensor area for debris. Clean gently if needed. Then place the new OEM filter in the same orientation. Make sure the sealing lip sits flush against. Reassemble by lowering the cover evenly so the filter stays seated. Push the intake tube into place and reattach clips or bolts until they feel snug, not over tight. Once done, start the engine and listen for unusual hissing or whistling that indicates a seal leak. Shut off and red item if you hear anything. If the check engine light appears or you notice rough idle, make sure the filter is correctly seated and the mass airflow sensor connector is plugged in. Then clear codes and test drive to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.